Learn to use Sendoso Chrome Extension, the easiest way to send gifts right from your browser. First, open your browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once it's installed, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your browser. Now you'll see the Sendoso icon right on your Chrome toolbar, ready for use. You'll instantly access your dashboard where you can choose a contact, select a gift, and send it, all in just a few clicks. That's it. You've just installed and started using the Sendoso Chrome extension. Perfect for sales, marketing, and customer success teams looking to create meaningful connections faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick productivity tips. Try Sendoso today. Connect smarter.